Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 student. Dear student, our today's topic is chapter 12 and this is the chapter name is population and natural environment. Let's see today's topic properly. This is chapter 12 and the name of chapter is population and natural environment, and this is lecture number 10 and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 10. And this is your science book, and today's topic is here. This is chapter 12 and this is page number 75. Dear student, at first we will read this chapter, then we will do some exercise. Let's start today's class. This is population and natural environment. The number of people who live in the same area is called its population. Bangladesh has a very large population. According to the population census 2011, it is about 15 crore. It is increasing day by day. Now we will know about the impact of population growth on our life. The more the population increases, the more food and space are needed. But food and space are limited. If the population continues growing, we will face some problems such as shortage of food to eat and space to live. In fact, there is a shortage of food in some parts of the world due to the growing population. People in a family also need food and space to live. If the number of people in a family increases, they need more food to eat and space to study and sleep. Also, it would be easy to get disease in a crowded house. If you can see this picture, you can understand that easily. And this family, they have no enough space to sleep, and this is a small family, and if you can see this picture, they don't have enough space to sleep. So this is the impact of population. And now second point is the impact of population growth on the natural environment. Now we will know about the impact of population growth on the natural environment. People need food, water, shelter and clothes to live. Food comes from plants and animals. Water comes from rain or rivers. Soil, rocks and woods are used to build houses and buildings. Some clothes are made of plants parts such as jute and cotton. Some shoes or bags are made of animal skins. Those things such as plants, animals, water and soil are called natural resources. We get natural resources from the natural environment. When the population grows, it needs more natural resources. People are destroying the natural environment to meet their additional needs. That means when population will be increases, then they will destroy our natural environment. If you can see this picture, people are destroying natural environment. They are cutting these trees and making so many factories, buildings, houses. So our environment will be destroyed, and it will be very difficult for survive us in this environment. So dear student, I have finished this chapter. Now we will do some fill in the blanks of this chapter. Here is some fill in the blanks. Our first fill in the blanks is food comes from plants or dash. Foods comes from plants or animals. Then we will write here animals. Now the 2 number filling the blanks is the number of people living in the same area is called dash. The number of people living in the same area is called population. So the answer will be population. Then we will write here population. I am writing here again because this is population. Okay, I am writing here clearly, you can understand clearly. Now next 3 number filling the blanks is people in a family need dash and dash to live. People in a family need food and space to live. So the answer will be first blanks is food, food, and here will be space, space. Now the last one, 4 number, people get resources such as wood and rocks from the dash environment. So answer will be people get resources such as wood and rocks from the natural environment. So the answer is natural. Then we will write here natural. Okay, now I will read this fill in the blanks again. 1 number fill in the blanks was food comes from plants or animals. Answer is animals. 2 number, the number of people living in the same area is called population. Is called population. 3 number, people in a family need food and space to live. 4 number, people get resources such as wood and rocks from the natural environment. So dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW. Your SW number is 10 number SW, and you have to write your SW number in your SW copy. Your SW will be this fill in the blanks. Here is only 4 filling the blanks, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, and these 4 filling the blanks is your SW. Dear student, I am repeating your SW. This is 10 number SW and your SW is fill in the blanks. Here is the 4 fill in the blanks and this is your SW. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So dear student, I hope you will do your SW properly and submit it properly. And dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.